Welcome back, students. 7th class, chapter number 6, algebraic expression, and the subtopic multiplication of a monomial and a binomial. What do you mean by monomial? Means an expression having one term is monomial, an expression having two terms is called binomial. Okay, now see friends, here suppose p, q and r be three monomials. Then by distributive law we have arranged such p multiplied by the whole bracket q plus r. Then this could be multiplied p multiplied by q by the distributive law plus and p multiplied by r. Okay, this is how to multiply. This is monomial, this is binomial. One two term, here is the one term. So this monomial is going to be multiplied by binomials having two terms. Okay, and this is as okay. I hope you will clear. Now we are going to solve a couple of questions, then you will very clear more. Okay, now we are going to take examples from examples questions. We will solve questions from exercise problem. Okay, now here the first question says find each of the following products, means we have to find the products. Now we have taken one questions as suppose question number 8. Okay, 8 question says find. Now see friend, first question number 8, have a look. Minus 17x square multiplied by 3x minus 4. This is looks like this is the one monomial and there is binomial terms. Then we have to multiply this monomial by this binomials, this monomial by this monomial. Now have a look by distributive law. Here first write as it is, minus 17x square is multiplied by this first term 3x square close bracket. Okay, then here is the minus, write the minus sign, then minus, write the bracket, minus 17x square is going to multiply by yes 4. Okay, now here multiply this minus into plus, minus 17 3 ja 51. Here is the x base, here is the x base, here is the exponent 1. So write the single base and add their exponents. 2 plus 1 3. So here is the minus into minus plus. Okay, here is the 17 4 ja 68. Okay, now here is the x square. This is your answer. Okay, now see friends, question number 15, 2 by 3 abc bracket a square plus b square minus 3 c square. We have to multiply same as here. Okay, now first write 2 by 3 abc, first multiply with a square, write the a square close bracket either. Here is the plus once again this multiply by here 2 by 3 a b c into b square close bracket. Now once again this term is multiplied by here. Here is the minus, write the minus, this is 2 by 3 a b c multiply by 3 c square. Okay, now solve. This is 2 by 3 as it is. Now choose the a is one single time, here is the 1, here is the 2, a raised to power 3 because the same base, b is only b c. Now here plus 2 by 3 as it is, here is the a as it is, b here is 1, the exponent of b is 1, write the single b 1 plus 2 3 and c as it is. Now here is the minus sign, write 2, have a look 3 and 3 will get cancelled because this is the top number, means numerator, this is denominator will get cancelled if it is possible. Now this is minus 2 as it is, here is the a and b as it is, but the c here is the 1 exponent, here is the 2 exponent. Now write the single c and add their exponent, 2 plus 1 3. Now friend, this is your answer. Okay, I hope you will clear. Now next question. Now friends, see we have taken question number 19. Why? Because question number 16 17 18 and 19 are the similar type of question. This is why we have taken only one question as question 19. Find the product minus 3y multiplied by xy plus y square close bracket and find its value for x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 5. Okay, now see friend, first of all write the expression. Here the expression 3y xy plus y square. Okay, now then first we have to multiply because this question has two statements. First we have to find the product first, then find the value for x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 5. First of all, find the product. So here product, now multiply this 3y multiply by this minus 3y multiply by this xy close bracket. Now this is once, here is the plus this minus 3y once again, this minus 3y multiply by with y square. Okay, now multiply, this is minus 3 as it is 3, here is the x, write the first x, here is the 1, here is the 1, so write the single y, 1 plus 1 2. Okay, now plus into minus, minus 3 as it is 3, here is the 1y, here is the exponent is 1, here is exponent, write the single y means single base, add their exponent means 1 plus 2 3. Okay, this is your answer, first answer. Now the second one answer is, now value, now for x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 5. Now we have to place the value at this product. Okay, or either here, it is up to you. Okay, now from, we are going to start from here or from here, it is up to you. Now suppose minus 3y, first of all write the original expression. Okay, now place the value here, minus 3 and the value of y is 5, here is the 5, because minus 3 here is the hidden, the sign of multiplication is hidden in between them, means minus 3 multiply by y. Okay, minus 3y, that means minus 3 multiply by y, so this is y, here is the sign multiplication. Now this is x is equal to 4, we have to place the value x instead of x is 4 multiply x into y, here is x into y, y is 5. Okay, here is the plus y square, here is the y is 5, where there is y there is 5, here is the square. Okay, now this is minus 5 3 ja 15, now this is 5 12. Okay, now plus 5 square, have a look, 5 square means 2 times 5. Okay, 5 5 ja 25, write down here 25. Now minus 15 as it is. Now first of all add their values, 20 plus 20 25, this is 45. Okay, it means minus 15 multiply by 45. Now multiply 45 with 15, 45 multiply by 15. Okay, after multiplication we got 675, here is minus, to minus 675, this is your final answer. I hope you will be clear. Now students, see the last one question, question number 26. Now we have to find the product. 4st multiply by s minus t minus 6x square multiply by t minus t square minus 3t square multiply by 2s square minus s. Okay, plus 2st multiply by s minus t. Now the solution is, first multiply here, solution, have a look, multiply this 4st multiply by this s, here is the s, this is minus, then once again 4st multiply by this t with this t. Okay, now the work for this done. Okay, now see the next, here this is the minus. Okay, so here is the minus sign, we can write into the bracket, there is no matter, here is the minus sign. Now first 6 multiply by, here you either we can multiply, here is the minus, here is the plus. Okay, this is minus 6 s square into t. Okay, now this minus 6 x square is multiplied with this minus t square, so here is the minus into minus, minus into minus plus. Okay, 6x square multiply by t square. Okay, now see the next, this expression, this term, this is minus, this is plus, minus into plus, minus 6 2 ja 3. Now number is going to multiply with number, 6 3 2 ja 6, and here is the t square, or either we can multiply, first of all multiply 1 by 1, here is the minus 3t square is multiply with 2s square. Okay, there is no problem here. Now next, this minus 3t square multiply by this minus s, here is the minus into minus, minus into minus plus, this 3t square multiply by this s. Okay, now look at here, here 2st multiply by this s, here is the plus 2st multiply by this s. Okay, now here the plus into minus, minus this 2st multiply by this minus t, so here is the plus into minus, here is the minus, the 2st right as it is 2st and multiply by this t. Okay, now look at, this is 4 s square t 2 times s square. Okay, now this is once again now 4 s t square, because s, and here is the 1, here is the 1, slide the single t, 1 plus 1 2. Okay, now this is minus 6 x square t. Okay, x square t plus this is 6 x square and t square. Okay, here is the minus. Look at 6 to ja 3 to ja 6, t square s square, or rather s square or t square. It could be written as t square or s square, yeah, s square t square. Okay, it doesn't matter. Here is the plus 3 t square, yeah, s t square, yeah, s t square. Okay, s t square, yeah, t square x plus 2 s s s square. Here is the 1, here is the 1, 1 1 2, and this is t. Now here have a look, minus 2 s single s and t raised to power 1, t raised to power 1. Okay, 1 is hidden, t raised to power 2. Now here look at which term is going to be cancelled. Here 6 minus 6 x square t square. Here look at minus plus 6 x square t square. Same terms, one is plus and another is minus, will get cancelled. Okay, now here look at 3st square, another is 3st square. No, st square term, yes, here st square term, here st square term, this is the like same term. And for s square t, so s square t is here. Okay, now 2 s square t, now friends 6, see, for s square t, here is the 4 and here is the s square t 2. That means we have to add both the terms having positive sign. 4 plus 2 6, 6 s square t, 6 s square t. Here is the minus 6 s square t. That means this term and these two terms will get cancelled. Okay, now the remaining parts is minus for st square. St square is here, st square is here, and the st square is here. Have a look. Okay, friends, see, here is the one term is remaining. Here the minus 4 st square, here is the st square. So minus 4 or minus 2, minus 6 st square. Okay, now and the remaining parts is here, the plus 3 st square. Here I have already written here s3 st square. Now this is the same term, st square. We can write this step. Take the common terms, bring outside, minus 6 plus 3 minus 3, because this is the negative sign, st square. So this is your final answer. I hope you will clear. Okay, now friends, your homework is question number 1 to 26, exercise 6c. Okay, if you have any doubts or problem, ask me or comment in the comment box. Have a nice day.